Persecution against the church don't start. Oh, my people, like play. They tell us before, but we been they drink milk. Nah, the thing don't finally happen. 71 years old preacher, they don't arrest him because according to what they say, they tell people say God created only 2 genders. And people where they talk about now Pastor John Sherwood, all these Oyibo people and their son himself, and Peter Simpson. Okay. They come start to tell the crowd, say families must be headed by a father and a mother, and that the distinction within mankind of just 2 genders, male and female, made in the image of God, constitute the essence of God's created order. I beg a call aside so that I will watch how they arrest this man because he dey preach for road. Because join me, make we watch the video. No, you want the rest of this. You want to come down? You need to come down. Otherwise, are you going to come down or not? You're on the rest. I need to come down. Are you going to hop down? Step down. Your religion is banned.
They're arresting the dear man there. They're arresting him. You're on camera! 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 I beg you, make person slap me if I dey wake up. I be if I dey sleep. How many genders God create before? I beg, na question I just dey ask. Una dey arrest person because you talk say God create 2 genders. Before na 3. No be man and woman, all of us know. I beg, in case you know another one, I be man, woman, and what? If you know another one, I beg, tell me, let me sef I learn from today. Because I know this, I beg, where did he lie now? Where this one lie? Where he don't warrant me the arrest him? Me, I don't know. God create 2 genders. But I beg my people, this thing now where this man talk. Now question. How did this thing now stop these people from practicing their whatever they are practicing? The gay people and what? But it don't stop them from practicing their thing. It just they preach, you won't preach. So anybody will want listen, make it listen. If you don't say the thing no favor you, just waka pass. I don't know now waiting me at the feel. Now the same thing when maybe Christian they preach to person for road. Some of them they ignore them. Some of them they pass their own. I don't know. But I believe say the same way because now all these LGBT people they don't start to tell us say they get right to be with who they want to be. I beg, nobody is against your right. It is between you and yourself. But when I see the same way they talk say they get rights, Christians too have rights. Straight people too have rights. So since una they ask for respect, una they look for, una they talk say make people respect una decision and una opinion. I beg, can you people also respect other people's decision and their opinion? If this same-sex marriage where we una they talk about now, assuming like that, like I don't even know how everyone put this whole matter. If this thing was the way this world was, I mean, how will people get pregnant? How will go come this world? God no be mumu now. He use sense create this world. He strategize. He plan everything. But this thing don't start to for now where they sleep. They tell us before. Say a time will come when this one. Now we are seeing it. Persecution I have started. Just imagine. We don't have rights now to air our own views and our beliefs. We don't have. Anyway, you got no problem. But these people now, they go ahead, even to they hang their flag. I beg, let everybody respect everybody. Me, that is what I have come to say. Una they demand respect, please, we too, we demand respect. Nobody go judge you now. After all, God is the overall judge. So everybody go just live the way they want to live. Let peace just reign. Allow Christians, abi believers, abi straight people, allow them to follow, to believe what they want to believe. You people believe in what you people want to believe, and let peace just reign. Because the way they see this thing, devil na bastard o, devil. They take deep eyes to understand, but no worry, I know what I dey talk about, and I no go talk am for here. Abeg, no be for my mouth una go hear say monkey dey chop banana, because na the matter I bring for una be this, and una don watch the whole matter. Wetin una gats talk concerning this thing, start dey drop am for that side, and make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know wetin don dey shele now. May no come be news to anybody here. Very very important. And subscribe, click on that notification bell so that you no go miss any matter wey I get here for una. Stay tuned for our next story.